What's up guys, Jamie here. Thanks for joining me in this video. If you are an affiliate marketer, a coach, a consultant, anyone that does some form of organic marketing online through Facebook, through LinkedIn, through Snapchat, through TikTok, whatever platform that you find yourself on, one of the key ingredients to your business is of course your content. And if you're like me, sometimes your brain just decides not to work and you're sitting at your computer trying to type stuff out and you end up procrastinating, you end up wasting a whole bunch of time, you end up putting out mediocre content which really doesn't resonate with your audience. Now if that sounds familiar, I've got something that I've put together which I think is going to help. It is free and something that I'm pretty proud of. All you need to do is click the link in the description to check that out. And essentially what it is a tool that I've used in order to be able to have a bunch of prompts for my content. So I don't really need to sit down and think, what am I going to write today? I've got a whole bunch of prompts in there. You can edit it, you can do whatever you like with it. There's an 8-minute training that goes along with it. It's not super complex or anything like that. And if you'd like to grab that and hopefully get a little bit more help with your business, then check that out below. Hope this helps guys. My name's Jamie. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.